And hello everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick look at what my new revamped website looks like. Now, as you might have seen in one of my videos a while ago, which I will include in the description below, my website was gone. It was kicked to the curb. It wasn't producing the results. It wasn't producing any leads. It was just a very ineffective tool that was wasting a lot of my money and a lot of my time. So I decided to get rid of it, but I brought it back. And one of the reasons why I brought it back is because I began to realize that I needed to revamp it and drastically simplify it so people could understand exactly what they would get out of working with me. So here it is, the homepage right here. It's a nice easy URL, www.stuartmcadam.com, and there's a link in the description box below if you want to go and have a look at it. So as you can see right here, Facebook and Instagram ads, Facebook and Instagram marketing, a nice big call to action button. There is a homepage, services page, and contact us page. Now I do have a blog, but I've decided to hide it to avoid any distractions and to not distract anybody who is visiting the page from what the overall end goal is, which is to get conversions from people. So as you can see here, we've got a little write-up about how we help people. So we've got the starter pack, we do sort of ads and management, consulting, and people can get a free quote. And what I've done this time around, which I should have done the first time I set up the website, is I actually have backed it up with evidence. So as you can see here, why people choose us, track record, very good rating on Upwork, Google My Business, Facebook recommendations from different people. And I've also got examples of past client work that I have done as well. So a client that has more than tripled his leads, another client here, she had a record month, just in the month of June, which was absolutely fantastic to see. And what I just added today was a client that had a 1,820% increase for his products on Facebook and Instagram ads. And that is just absolutely incredible. He went from 5 leads a month to 96. And that is just, the tip of the iceberg. I can also share as well, obviously, some of the sort of other successes that I've had with using Facebook ads to help businesses grow. But you don't want to overshare everything that you've done. It's important to make sure that people can see enough of the work that you do to maintain the trust. They can see that you're a credible person, that you've done a lot of work before, you've got a track record. And then you want to let people make the decision to get a free quote. Or if they are still deciding, they're always welcome to come and follow the YouTube channel right here, where I'm putting out Facebook and Instagram ad videos and tips and providing commentary about what's happening in the industry at the moment. So that's just a quick look at what the homepage looks like. Into the services page right here, we've got some basic service packages. I took this on advice of one of my business mentors. It was part of the revamp. So obviously just a couple of things there, the free quote button at the top and bottom. And of course the contact us page with all of the information people need to reach out and get a free quote today. Now, if you are looking for help with Facebook and Instagram ads or Facebook and Instagram content marketing, do feel free to go over to my website and see if it's something that is the right option for you and your business. If you have any questions about whether or not it is a good fit for your business, just feel free to head over to the contact page here, fill in the form here, and just say you have a couple of questions. We can book a free discovery call, and you can then start to understand and see whether or not it is a good match or not. In a lot of instances, it is a very good match. In some instances, it isn't. And one of the things that I've always prided myself on doing is being as upfront and as honest as I possibly can be. If I don't think it's a good match, I will say so, and I will recommend a platform where your business can perform best. If it is a good match, then happy to discuss options further with you. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching the video today. If you found this video useful, do head down to stuartmcadam.com and have a look at the new website. Would love to hear your thoughts on and feedback on it. Good, bad, and ugly. If you think it can be improved even more, would be more than happy to get your feedback on that. If you like it, just give that video, that like button, an absolute smashing down below. Sort of getting my tongue twisted at the moment. And I will see you next time.